We will talk about how can you create from your store on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on store down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on store, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down here and here you will find all this here can you create on your store. You just select here what you want to create on your store. I'm going to click here on calendar here. Just click here on calendar. So then you click here on create a calendar here. So then it's going to take you to this list, but before that here can you pay for to use this. Just click here on wind and hold and you click here on create this calendar here. So then it's going to take you to this list and here can you use this design here if you want. So when you just use it here, but like I say, you have this, you have to get premium or you pay this here to work with you on your family album app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like